Now we're gonna mix the ingredients of the first dough, of the heavier dough. We're gonna take the flour, first the dry ingredients, the salt, the sugar. We're gonna make a little well in the middle. Pour the vinegar, the oil, and the 3 egg yolks. And we're gonna start mixing them from the middle towards the sides. Now we're gonna start adding the water a little bit at a time, because sometimes you don't need the whole half a cup. We don't want to have a sticky dough. This is not supposed to be a sticky dough. Knead it a little bit. Get it on the sides. It's going to take all flour. Now once we finish with this dough, we're going to put it in the refrigerator for 20 minutes while making the other dough ready. Take a little bit of flour. And we're going to let it rest now for 20 minutes in the refrigerator. This is our dough. Okay.